In this video, I'll show you how to make your Facebook friends list private. So it's nice and straightforward. You just need to head over to the Facebook application and then click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side. Scroll down to settings and privacy and expand this drop down, then click on settings from the list. Scroll down again until you see the audience and visibility section, and from this list we need to select how people can find and contact you. Now the second option down, you'll see who can see your friends list. This is where we decide the visibility of who can see our friends list. Now at the moment I have this option set to public. Now what this means is basically anyone on Facebook, even if they're not on my friends list, can see my friends list. So you can either change this to friends, which basically means only your friends can see your friends list, or if you want to keep the entire thing private so only you can see it yourself, then go ahead and select only me at the bottom. And now that we've selected that, our friends list is completely private, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.